Hey y'all, my name's Dora, and today I'm going to show you how to make these pretty lemon bath bombs. The lemon peels are optional, but I felt that they'd really perk up this bomb. When they hit the water, they become soft and infuse the water with a nice and light lemon scent. Quick tip though, if you go for this, don't put too much. It could affect the stability of your bomb. I found it much easier to cut the bath bomb in half in the morning rather than packing each half bomb. I found this way to be less work, but this is a personal preference. I just realized I should have tried cutting them as soon as I unmolded them, like that night. I wonder if that would have worked. They may have crumbled. I'll have to conduct that experiment. Also, something I planned to do but completely forgot to do was cut a half into another half, making quarter lemon wedges, which would have been super cute, but I also feel like they would have been a real pain to paint. So that's something to consider. Okay, so always grab the ugliest bomb you have to practice new techniques. This is especially true for painting a bomb. Even if you've made it before, you may be a little rusty. From there, work your way up to the prettiest bomb. It always seems like out of a dozen, I may have 3 bombs I'm actually proud of and the rest were used for practice. This is normal and it's okay. At least the last 3 were done on my prettiest bombs. FYI, that's the ones I take pictures with for the thumbnail. Okay, so for the lemon pattern, simply paint a circle following the natural outline of the bomb. Then draw an X in your circle. Then draw another line through that. I feel kind of dumb because I did not think of this then. I'm just realizing that now. I was trying to paint a pattern of a real lemon, and I'm gonna tell you, it does not pay to be fancy. Just keep it simple. Thanks for watching. All of the items used in this tutorial will be linked in the description. If you make this bomb, I'd love to see pictures. If you guys like this video, please click the thumbs up. And if you found it helpful or inspirational, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative bath ideas.